Greetings everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to enable the Task View button on Windows 10. This button helps you switch between open windows and access virtual desktops easily. If you don't see it on your taskbar, I'll show you how to activate it right now. First, go to the bottom of your screen where the taskbar is located. Next, right-click anywhere on the empty space of the taskbar. Then, from the menu that appears, click on Show Task View button. After that, you'll notice a new icon appears next to the search box. That's the Task View button. Finally, click on that Task View icon to see all your open windows and access virtual desktops. Thanks for watching. Now you can easily switch between tasks using the Task View button. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.